everyone, this is Gauri Mishra, your reporter for this week's edition of MSP's Campus Chronicles. Once again, I will take you around the campus, catching up glimpses of activities going on in the school campus. I am sure you will also enjoy this weekly journey along with me. So stay tuned for a lot more coming up this week. We can see the preparation for Vivitsa 2024 is on the full swings. We can see the students putting their energy and hard work to give their best to the annual fest of the school. We can see the practicing for Vivitsa 2024 is on the full swings. We can see students putting their energy, hard work to give their best to the annual fest of our school. As we told you last week that our annual function Vivitsa is going on 14th of November. So the entire campus is brimming with energy. Today the students of Rampur Garden School are also here for the stage practice. It's truly a delight to see these little ones practicing with so much of energy and excitement. I am sure that they will make the event a big hit. As we told you last week that our annual function Vivitsa is on 14th of November. So the entire campus is brimming with energy. Today, the students of Rampur Garden School are also here for the stage practice. It's truly a delight to see these little ones practicing with so much of energy and excitement. I am sure that they will make the event a big hit. Good morning and welcome back everyone. Today the weather is pleasant and the fog outside is indicating the arrival of winters. Today we have show and tell intra-class competition. We can see tiny toddlers of classes nursery and prep will be showing and explaining the objects. We can see many children have prepared placards and dummy objects and explaining these things. Indeed, these little enthusiasts are coming up with good presentation skills. This activity will definitely inculcate presentation skills, spoken English in these young spirituals.
I am giving you a glimpse of Principal Ma'am's room, where Ma'am is also busy with all the preparations regarding tomorrow's Children's Day function. See, the entire room is brimming with activity, with so many colorful things. So just imagine what all you have in store tomorrow. So let's wait for 14th of November.
Hello everyone, here we can see that the preparation of annual function is on full swing. I am giving you a glimpse of the preparations that are going on in the school campus. Here we have the beautiful jewelry for the kids for different dances. And here the kids are getting ready with their dresses. So beautiful, lovely and vibrant colors all over in the campus.
The beautiful colored faces are with Principal Ma'am, waiting for the performance. They are all set for the Holi. So, all the best.
With
We can see
97.4%.
our school principal, Dr. Priyanka Sarkar, is
The
reading
class
the
12
annual
students
report
also performed well,
and disclosing
with 21
the
students
events
crossing
of the
90%
institute throughout the year.
threshold. And Prangita Rajoria made it up at the top with 96%.
Collecting more glimpses from the campus. The small children of Rampur Garden School are celebrating Krishna Janmashtami on the stage. The little performers are so expressive and so eloquent on the stage. It is a matter of immense pride that we have amongst us
First of all,
Dr. Ajay Kumar Bansal,
welcome and thank you, sir, for being here, for accepting
who is being
this
awarded
honor.
with
ये
नागरिक
सम्मान
सम्मान।
मेरे लेट फादर के स्मृति में काफी वर्ष पहले
And
शुरू किया गया था
this
और बहुत
award
सारे
is being presented
बरेली वासियों को ये
in the
हम
memory
सम्मान
of late Shri Chaturbhuj Agarwal, who is
दे
who
चुके
was the
हैं
founder
और उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया है।
chairperson of
शुरुआत
this
वसीम
institute.
बरेलवी जी से हुई थी और लिस्ट बहुत अच्छी, पिछले साल पद्मश्री नलिनी कमलनी जी भी थी, लेकिन हमारा सौभाग्य है कि आप जैसे स्टेचर का आदमी द्रोणाचार्य अवार्डी
अजय
इस
कुमार
सम्मान को
बंसल
प्राप्त कर रहा है और हम
had
इसको
been the
आपको
द्रोणाचार्य
देने के लिए
award.
यहाँ खड़े हुए हैं। ये हमारा सौभाग्य है।
And he had been the mentor
मुझे-
of Indian hockey team under
मुझे
16
पूर्ण विश्वास
and
है
had won
कि
Asian Cup.
मेरे पिताश्री जिनका स्वर्गवास हुए वे
We can see he is being presented with shawl, a memento, and you can see the family of Chairman Sir, Manager Sir, and Managing Director Ma'am is there on the stage. Definitely, it is a moment of immense pride that a person of such stature is there in Bareilly and on the stage of Madhav India Public School. Now we can see the children of Madhav India Public School are celebrating the Shera on the stage and putting the stage on fire. Today, all the festivals are being celebrated here in the campus of Madhav India Public School. Now, children are celebrating Durga Puja. As you can see, colorful combination and the vigor of the students on the stage. Here we can see children are celebrating Navratri, which is celebrated to mark blessings of Goddess Durga, and we celebrate 9 nights and seek blessings from Maa Durga to kill all the demons which are there in us. This is definitely enchanting. Here we can see our chief guest, Dr. Simran Ahuja, is being felicitated as she is the chief guest today for Vividsa 2024. She is being presented
Thank you,
with a
sir.
memento
Thank you, ma'am.
and a
I
shawl.
now request our esteemed chief guest to kindly grace this occasion with a magniloquence.
Now we are having the unveiling of the magazine, school magazine, Aryaman. Aryaman 2024 is being released here. As Madhav
Mother of India is on the tree saving drive. So to save trees, we all have our e-magazine. So here we can see the unveiling of the magazine by our chief guest. In magazine they record all the happenings of the event throughout.
Thank you so much. Friends,
In
we are
school,
celebrating
out school, all the things are being
20
recorded here.
beautiful,
Whatever students have
auspicious years
achieved throughout
of our
that is
school
being recorded
here
in
at
the
Mother Rao Scindia.
We have a felicitation to make.
Here,
So I
as the
would
school has
request
completed
first
its 20 years
for
journey.
the felicitation.
So the teachers who have been with Mother of India in their journey since beginning, since first day of its starting, they are there. They are being felicitated. We can see years is definitely very long journey, and this journey is there.
And a citation, and to remember our association, a piece of
Being
jewelry
revealed
from
through their
Mother of India
faces.
family. जिंदगी में आप करें उसमें
Here we can
आपको
see Asif sir
उन्नति
being
मिले
awarded
तरक्की
with
मिले।
Vishish
धन्यवाद
Samman.
सर। सर आप कुछ
He started his journey with
मैं आसिफ
journey
सर की
from a
फैमिली यहाँ
very
पे
small
है,
lab in
अगर वो यहाँ आ
and
सके तो
today
मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा
he is
होगा और आसिफ
also
सर के लिए भी बहुत बड़ा
part of
मोमेंट
family
होगा।
since last
आसिफ
20
सर की
years.
बेटी यहाँ की एल्यूमनाई है, and I'm proud of her. She's doing wonders in her
And
life. Delhi
It
में
was a
Faizi,
surprise for him, and definitely we can see that from his face. He is totally overwhelmed.
वाइफ है उनकी।
Today we can see here we are celebrating Vivitsa 2024, and we can see beaming faces, celebrating Shivratri on the stage on this occasion of Vivitsa. Tiny closets are seeking the blessings of Shiva. Good morning everyone. As we all know that on 14th November we have successfully completed Vivitsa, that is our annual function, and now we can see the content is being wound up, and we can see the costumes are being packed and they are ready to be sent back. Here we can see all the costumes are kept, and we can see that these are being packed properly so that we can send them back. And yes, now you have to wait for another year for the next annual function, and that will be there in November next year probably. The annual function was definitely a huge success. Many children were awarded and they presented their beautiful dances, celebrated so many festivals on that day. And now when everything has come to an end, we also have to wind up with all the things. That's all.